My doorbell rings every night, but no one is ever there. At first, I thought it was just a prank, some kids messing around. But then, it started happening at the same time, every night, 3 a.m. The first time, I opened the door. Nothing. Empty street. No sound, no movement, just silence. I checked my door camera. There was nothing. No one pressing the bell, no one outside. The next night, it happened again. This time, I didn't open the door. I checked the camera first. Still, nothing. But the bell rang, loud, clear, like someone was right there, watching me. So I recorded it. I needed proof. The next night, I waited. The bell rang, and I checked the footage. At first, it looked empty, but then I saw something, a shadow, just for a second, right in front of the door. I replayed it, slower, frame by frame, and that's when I saw it clearly. Something was standing there, too close to the camera. Its face, distorted, smiling, looking directly at me. And then it leaned closer, like it knew I was watching. The screen glitched and went black. A second later, a notification appeared. Visitor detected. But under it, something worse. Inside, I froze, because at that exact moment, my doorbell rang again. From behind me. Subscribe before it rings your door next.